How to enable Do Not Disturb on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable Do Not Disturb on Android phone. First, then open settings and then scroll down until you find sounds and vibration, and here you will find Do Not Disturb. Click on it. You will find it like that. All you need to do is just click on it, and as you see, Do Not Disturb have been enabled, and you can disable it again. Just go to sounds and then Do Not Disturb, and you can disable it just by one click, and that's it. It's easy, and that's how to enable Do Not Disturb on an Android phone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.